Back for another model year, the 2020 Hyundai Tucson is set to be the last update before the all-new model arrives. We haven't ever tested the top Highlander variant before, so we thought we'd try out the 1.6 turbo-petrol engine for you. The current gen model still looks quite modern and well proportioned in our opinion, despite being almost 5 years old now. The front grille was recently updated to the brand's latest theme, and the Highlander adds elegant two-tone 19-inch alloy wheels. Inside, it's the sheer space and practicality that wins you over. However, there are some scratchy plastics and cheap-feeling areas. It's all pretty monotone too, with only some splashes of silver for this Highlander variant. Passenger space is abundant for this segment, and the front seats offer great long-distance comfort. The top variant adds power front seats, with heating and cooling functions for added luxury. Meanwhile, in the back, there's climate vents, good headroom and legroom, and a separate power socket. Boot space is impressive for this class, and you can fold down the rear seats almost completely flat for extra room. A handy power socket can be found in the boot area as well, which is perfect for camping enthusiasts. Up front, power comes from the widely used 1.6 litre turbo petrol. For some reason, it misses out on the 150 kilowatt tune offered in the smaller i30 hatch, and instead receives the same 130 kilowatt tune as the Kona. This is what it goes like.